So we had a company come out and encapsulate the larger portion of our crawl space when we bought the home almost 3 years ago, and they weren't able to encapsulate the smaller portion, which was creating some issues. So you guys came out, did a great job. It worked a very long day and encapsulated the smaller portion, which I think you said is like 13 inches tall at one part.
Yeah, it's pretty tall.
So that was great. We've got a dehumidifier in there to help with some of the humidity and moisture issues we were having, so hopefully it's all good.
Awesome. Last question. 5 stars. Do you think we're a 5-star company?
Yeah, absolutely.
And you're going to be willing to give us that Google review?
Yes.
Awesome.
And I'll recommend you to my clients.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yeah.